What's a self-care without a bumper date? Today's all about self-care at Bella Vida with my amazing husband by my side. Sometimes life gets a little busy and you just need a break. So today I treated myself to a little self-care at Bella Vida. You have arrived to your destination, and that's my handsome husband. Here's Chi, the owner and CEO of Bella Vida. Come with me, let me give you a quick mini tour of what Bella Vida looks like. Hello, gorgeous. So this is what Bella Vida looks like. You're beautiful, right? It's comfortable, it's nice, this is what Bella Vida looks like. So while I was waiting for my turn, I decided to make a mini video with my husband. I recently find one today. This is one of them, the finest of them all. So I started with washing my hair. This is exactly what I needed. First, a good hair wash. There's nothing like fresh, clean feeling. Next up will be styling my hair. But wait, this tricky thing is really annoying, But then, nothing fancy, nothing so serious, just something that makes me feel good. He came to give me a hug, thank you. And then the time to get my nails done. So the whole idea is while I'm making my hair, I'm also fixing my nails at the same time. So I have two people working on me. So I decided I didn't want acrylics, but what they gave me, oh my god, you're gonna love it. Because I actually really rocked my nails and I really loved my nails. So it's more like I was done with my hair and I was done with my nails. What do you think of this gorgeousness? Oh my god. So she said, like, lay the edges. These were not really laying, but yeah. So after that, I fixed my toenails and it was time to go. Thank you, Chi, and thank you, Bella Vida. I will definitely be back when I come back to Abuja.